Hello, today we are going to start out by making a sketch for your mobile. You can make anything you want. It could be abstract or it could look like something.
I've drawn these lines to show where I will attach the pieces with yarn. I want some of the pieces to be able to move, so I'm going to attach those to a popsicle stick and have it hanging down with yarn. As soon as you have drawn out a quick idea for what you will make, then you may start creating your mobile. There are tons of things in the scrap bins. There are papers, there are scissors, hole punchers, and you can use tape. Those should already be at your table. You may also use yarn and anything else that you can find in the room that you think would be good, like pipe cleaners, or there's some wooden pieces down here. Beads are fine to use. Go ahead and start cutting, and you could glue or tape things together. You could punch holes and put things through the holes. When you're attaching things with yarn, make sure you wrap it around really tightly like I'm doing right now so that it doesn't come off. Even double check it by giving it a little tug to make sure it's not going to come off. Let's see what happens if we just attach a piece without wrapping it around. Oh, it came right out. Wrapping it around is gonna help it stay a lot better. So do a nice job of making sure to wrap it around a couple of times if you're attaching to a popsicle stick. And maybe if you're not attaching to something that you can wrap, make sure you get several pieces of tape and really press the tape in place. Now I can start attaching all of my pieces to my thing that I'm making. I wonder what you will make today. You can tell someone nearby what you plan to make today. All right, class, get ready to listen again. We're going to go through some more directions. Notice that I am attaching pieces with one piece of yarn taped onto both pieces. This allows each piece to move and hang down. That way, when I hold it up, it'll kind of shake around. If you don't want your pieces to move, you do not have to attach them separately like this with a piece of yarn in between. I just wanted mine to be movable. There, it works pretty well, but I see the head is bending. I wonder if you could guess what I could do to get that to be straight again. If you said attach something on the other side, you are right. I can reinforce the placement of something by attaching something on both sides.
Don't worry about it being perfect, just think of it as an experiment. I hope you have a lot of fun with this project today and have time to add lots of detail, but I realize that some of you might need another day to work on this. If you need another day, you can write your name on your project and leave it here in the art room for next time. If you do get done with yours today, you can take it home with you. Even if you don't get done, you can still take it home with you today and finish it at home.